How to add hover effects in Wix Studio. To do that, just choose in here the element that you want to add an hover effect into. For example, let me head over and then just choose in here this particular text right there. And then from in there, you should be able to see all of this. So what you can do is you click onto these three dots. And then in here, you can see this, all of these options right here. So what we can do in this case is we can head over and click onto this edit text option, and then it will open the text editor wherein you can see the design as well as animation and effects. Click on this right here and then expand on the hover option. Then click onto this add option just below that and choose in here a hover animation. For example, let's choose in here this shrink animation. And what this will do is if you have already saved this, once visitor visit your site and hover to this particular text, it will shrink based on to our actual animation that we have added there. So that's how you add hover effects in Wix Studio. Hope you helped.